Are you frustrated that when you try to create a Gmail account, it tells you to give your phone number? But even if you give a number, it tells you this number has been used. You really want to create another Gmail account to get those juicy AI credits so you can use that free credit. Don't worry, I found a solution that will work on Android phones. So if you're an iPhone user, I'm sorry, you can skip it. Android users, here we go.
So the trick is if you want to create another Gmail account without phone number, you just have to use the Google search bar app, or you can use the Play Store app. So I'm going to use the Google search bar app. Tap on Google, open the Google search bar app, and here if you already sign in with an account, just tap on your profile on the right corner. Then you just need to tap on this arrow button in the right corner. You can see there's an expand option. Tap on this, and here you will find all the Gmail that you have created. So I have created a few Gmail here with this trick. The thing is, you have to click on add on another account option. Tap add another account, tap on Google. This will tell you to if you have a pattern lock. I have a finger, so I'm just going to give my finger lock here. Now here you have to tap on this create account for my personal use, and I'm just going to give it a name here. So I'm going to give the name in Skibidi. Tap next. Then you just have to add your birth date. So I'm just going to add the birth date of the Skibidi. And after filling all the information, you just have to tap next. Then you have to choose what kind of username that you want. So I'm just going to fill up this. So if the username is not available, it tell me this username is available. So I'm going to choose this and click next. And I'm going to create a password here. So after creating a password, I'm just going to tap next, and as we can see, my Gmail account has been created. Again tap next, and I have to agree the terms and section. Just tap and I agree. So the trick is here, you just have to come to this Google search bar app or the Play Store, tap on that, and after that you just have to tap on the add another account. In this way, they will not tell you to give your phone number. So if I go to my Gmail account again, so if I tap on this right corner again, and tap on this expand menu option in the right corner, and here you can see my Skibidi Gmail that I have created is now added on my phone. So I can use this email in my PC also. You just have to add the email and the password, you can log in. Now you can see I'm using this email here, which is the email that I have created right in front of you. So that's it guys, this is the simple and easy way to create an Gmail without phone number. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe because I love, and stay tuned for this type of video, and thank you for watching.